Hello, my name is Ren Knotts. I am a web design major. I've been loving this class so far. This is kind of towards something that I am really wanting to do as a career, to be able to design the front, just the page, and do a lot of this fun design work. Here's my app idea. I chose to do a recipe converter. This app takes a recipe and takes the measurements of the recipe, and you are able to convert them into different measurements depending on what and how many people you are feeding. My audience supports people who are caterers, school teachers that teach cooking, and restaurants, and even people at home who are planning for big parties or just wanting to make a lot of cookies, whatever. That's kind of what this app is focusing towards, and that's who my audience is, those who love to cook. Here are my sketches, a few different ideas that I had for my sketch, or for my idea, for my design. This is the idea that I landed upon, that I thought that it would be pretty decent. One thing that I noticed as we were going through the feedback and stuff like that is that with my digital design at least, that I was missing some pieces and parts that were kind of leaving people in the dark of like each screen, especially with the measurement screen that doesn't really have the actual ingredients listed on the measurement screen. So I did add those in my final design. Here are my digital wireframes. This is what my design started to look like. People told me that I needed to work with the color scale a little bit more, which I agreed with. I felt like this was kind of boring. Didn't really grab the person very well. And it doesn't really look like it has anything to do with cooking. So you'll see my end result here in a few seconds, and I'll kind of go through that here in a minute. But kind of how my tests went with the people that I did do tests with. I did tests with my mom, a kid from work, my wife. I also did another test with my supervisors at work, just trying to get the feel of everything. And everybody kind of had the same idea, that I needed to work with the color scale a little bit more, which I think I was just kind of rushed. That's maybe why it looked so dull. But I did play with that a little bit, and I did add the things that needed to be added. Here is my final design. My recipe converter. Here's my opening page, my home page, the ingredients page, measurement page, and the end result recipe page that you are able to print if you needed to print it or save it for any way that you want. I did add on the measurement page each ingredient for the measurements. Here are my mock-ups. I really love mock-ups. I feel like they kind of help my design, our designs, look a little bit more professional. The reason why I feel like my design is the best as it could be is I feel like a lot of apps out there are too complicated, or there's too many pages, or there's too many steps that you have to do in order to get the end result. And I wanted to do 4 pages or less that would be able to, and they were simple enough that anybody could use it and be able to benefit from it. So there's my design. Thank you so much, and I will see you later.